Skin cancer in dogs, know the disease. Diseases that affect dogs are of great concern to owners. Some of them may have simpler complications, while others evolve into more serious cases, such as skin cancer in dogs. At first, skin cancer in dogs is a disease that scares tutors, however, it has treatment and good recovery rates. Therefore, in this article, you will learn a little more about skin cancer in dogs, the causes, symptoms, treatments, and how to prevent the disease that can affect pets. Scientifically known as neoplasm, cancer in dogs is a malignant tumor that can endanger the health of the animal. It occurs when there is abnormal growth of cells, which multiply in an uncontrolled way due to anomalies in division. Cancer can be defined as benign or malignant, depending on certain characteristics, such as the ability to infect other cells. The first case grows in a delayed and limited way, while the second one develops more quickly and is more harmful to the pet's health. However, regardless of the diagnosis regarding the characteristic of the tumor, it is essential to take the pet to the veterinarian for the professional to analyze the condition of skin cancer in a dog and indicate the necessary treatment, in addition to the care that needs to be taken. The dog with skin cancer is among the most common neoplasms in veterinary centers and clinics. That's what explains Dr. Heloisa Souza, veterinarian. This happens because the skin is the largest organ in the body, in addition to having several types of cells susceptible to the development of tumors, comments the specialist. Despite being a common problem among dogs of different breeds, the situation is still alarming for tutors and pets. Therefore, when signs of a tumor appear, it is important to seek the help of a qualified professional. Skin cancer in dogs has several variations, which can manifest itself in different ways in the animal's body, each with a particularity. Check out some of them below. Melanoma, mastocytoma, perianal adenoma, squamous cell carcinoma, trichoblastoma, histiocytoma. Each type of tumor will behave differently in each organism. Therefore, it is important to pay attention to the health of the animal and carry out periodic consultations to analyze the condition properly. In humans, skin cancer is closely associated with excessive sun exposure. However, for our four-legged friends, the picture is somewhat different. Dr. Heloisa comments that, in the case of dogs, the main reason is genetic. The skin has high regeneration, renewing itself frequently. This can predispose to the emergence of abnormal cells and tumors, she comments. However, the specialist remembers that exposure to the sun is also a danger for the furry ones. It is necessary to be aware of walks on sunny days, especially for light-colored pets, such as whites or albinos. Like other types of illness, cancer has a more effective treatment when it occurs early on. Therefore, the tutor should pay attention to the health of the furry, realizing possible symptoms of skin cancer in dogs. According to the Dr. Heloisa, the main signs are described below. Nodules, change in skin color, changes in skin appearance, bleeding, secretions, wounds that take time to heal. The diagnosis for skin cancer in dogs involves different steps, responsible for understanding the origin of the disease and the cell affected. At first, a clinical examination is performed, taking into account visible signs, age, history, and breed of the pet. Other important points are biopsy and histopathological examination. These tests analyze the cells, and the veterinarian will be able to classify the tumor. Most of the time, treatment is performed through surgery, removing the skin from the affected area. In some cases, chemotherapy or radiation therapy may be necessary, depending on the characteristics of the disease. Luckily, skin cancer in dogs is curable and has good recovery rates, especially if treated early. Although it usually does not present major complications, skin cancer in dogs is considered a serious problem. Therefore, it is best to prevent the disease and follow the veterinarian's recommendations. Dr. Heloisa reinforces that we should not go out with our pets at times of high incidence of sun, such as from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. In some cases, especially for the furry ones that live in the yard, it is recommended to use sunscreen for pets. Periodic visits to the veterinarian should be made to analyze skin cancer in dogs and other complications that can arise in this area. However, take your pet to a suitable professional.